Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super frustrating issue. Your PayPal account getting blocked for 180 days. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't panic. I've got a step-by-step guide to help you get back on track. First off, let's talk about why this happens. PayPal often blocks accounts due to suspicious activity, like unusual login attempts, potential fraud, or violations of their terms of service. It could be something as simple as a failed security check or more serious like unauthorized transactions. Knowing the cause is key to fixing it. Now, let's get into the fixes. Step 1. Log in to your PayPal account if you can. If it's fully locked, head straight to the PayPal Help Center or app. Look for the Contact Us section and submit a ticket explaining your situation. Be detailed. Provide evidence like transaction history or ID verification to prove you're the legitimate owner. This is crucial for 2025, as PayPal has tightened security with new AI-driven checks. Step 2. Appeal the block. Once you've contacted support, follow up regularly. They might ask for additional info, so respond quickly to speed things up. If you're in a region with PayPal's escalation process, request a review. Remember, patience is key. These things can take time, but most blocks get lifted with proper documentation. To prevent this in the future, always use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account for any weird activity. Also, stick to PayPal's guidelines, avoid risky transactions or sharing login details. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your block and get back to using PayPal smoothly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.